In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up email subscription types in HubSpot. Whether you're a small business owner looking to engage with your audience or a marketer trying to streamline your email efforts, setting up subscription types is a great way to make sure your communications are relevant and targeted. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log in or sign up for HubSpot if you haven't already. It's a user-friendly platform that offers a wide range of tools for managing customer interactions and automating tasks, including setting up email subscriptions, which is exactly what we'll be focusing on today. Once you're logged in, head over to the sidebar on the left-hand side of your screen and select the Commerce option. This section of HubSpot houses tools and settings specifically aimed at managing your customer-facing strategies. Now that you're in the Commerce section, look for the Subscription tab. Clicking here will lead you to the area where you can manage and create new subscription types, which is essential for organizing your email marketing efforts effectively. Next, you'll want to click on Create Subscription. This is where the magic happens. You'll be prompted to provide information for your new subscription type. Start by giving it a clear and concise name. This could be something as straightforward as newsletter, or a bit more specific like product updates. The name should reflect the content that subscribers can expect to receive, making it easy for them to understand and choose the subscriptions that interest them. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to write a description. This should be a brief explanation of the type of emails subscribers will receive under this category. For example, you might want to say, "Stay up to date on our latest blog posts and company news." This description should be enticing and informative, providing just enough detail to encourage users to subscribe. After you have completed these fields, click Save to create the subscription type. Once saved, you'll land back on the Subscription Types tab, where you can manage your existing types. Here, you have the option to rearrange the order of your subscription types by simply dragging and dropping them. This feature is particularly useful if you decide to prioritize certain communications over others or if you need to reorganize your approach over time. Finally, when you're creating or editing forms on HubSpot, pay attention to the Consent section. Here, you can select the appropriate subscription types, allowing users to opt into specific lists. This is crucial for compliance with data protection regulations and ensures your subscribers are only receiving the communications they wish to receive. That's it. You've set up email subscription types in HubSpot, a small step that can make a big difference in organizing your email strategy and building a stronger connection with your audience. Thank you for joining me, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Until next time, happy marketing.